Tomorrowland Station. As we make our way, please remain seated at all times, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the train. Once again, let's keep an eye on our little travelers. Let's keep them away from any openings in the train. Now, folks, when we get to Tomorrowland, we are on our last lap. So when we get to Tomorrowland, it will be our last stop. Your last trip off at Tomorrowland. So
hi guys. Oh, I see.
Train is on its last lap. We'll be making a stop at Tomorrowland, Main Street, New Orleans, and back to down Marsh. Thank you.
Gracias. Bitte bleiben Sie im Bus sitzen, bis es zu einem vollständigen Halt kommt und Sie gebeten werden aufzustehen. Danke. Please remain seated until the